Vending machines give you snacks and drinks anytime, anywhere. But how do they actually work inside? You press the buttons to select your snack or drink, the machine knows exactly what you want. Insert coins, bills, or tap your card. The machine instantly verifies your payment. Inside, a motor spins a spiral coil. It gently pushes your item off the shelf. The item drops gently down the chute and lands safely in the pickup area. Sensors prevent jams and keep everything fresh. Vending machines are simple, reliable, and always working.